Play music. No test tone sign sheets. He's aware of that. Let me know when. We'll start it. This is to go.
Ready.
Here we go.
Set. Go. 20 seconds.
Is that all he's got? Jeez.
Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Thomas of 141.40B. Thomas, you want to do that one more time, sir? Give it another try.
Official
They ain't ready for me.
scores.
Huh?
Lane
They
1.
ain't ready for me.
Thomas Hyatt, MSD2, 141.43B. SBO qualifying
It's just
rounds.
that way.
Lane 1.
That Derek Green ain't loaded his truck yet. Still got to load his car.
Stand by.
You got to unload your car yet? Okay.
I'm not bragging. I'm just making predictions.
One more time for Thomas. Not a problem. He's waiting on Cliff so someone can help push it up here because I heard it didn't run. So, you can't worry about no mosquitoes when that thing starts up. That's for sure.
Huh? Ready, set, go. Twenty seconds.
137.9 so far for Thomas. Got to try to find the right song.
Ten seconds.
41.5.
5, 4.
But we'll keep the louder of the two scores, whichever is highest.
Time.
And time for Thomas.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Thomas Hyatt, MSD2, 141.5 dB. This is a retry for Thomas Hyatt.